Nyakwa Ramogi Juang ka waketo tenge weche motudore kod odiochieng' makawuono mar Labor Day e weche mamoko. Eni jotelo mopogore opogore dhi nyime kod yuago jaod bura ma Kasipul Ong'ondo Were mane janjore moro ochielo gi magina kendo nindo e bade odhiambo manyoro e wang' apaya mangong' e buore Nairobi ka giloso e od thieth ma Nairobi Hospital kod od kano ringre jomotho mali. Jotelogo ne okwayo bila mondo tim nonro mapiyo kendo yango jonjore mane okaw ngima Ong'ondo Were. Jaod bura ma Kabondo Kasipul Obara ne owacho ni Ong'ondo Were osebedo jatelo ma ochiwore ne tije kendo jago mane olal kod ngimane nyaka kawnegi okang' magera. Obara lieko ni joma ne onego Ong'ondo Were ong'ere kendo nyaka makgi.
We were with him today in Parliament, as she said, the whole afternoon, and he left.
We were just with him in Parliament a few minutes ago, and shortly after that we got word that he had been shot dead. I'm not going to say much. Give a chance to the minority leader and then the governor, and then we'll also give the PS. Thank you.
We were with him today in Parliament, as she said, the whole afternoon, and he left, I think, barely 30 minutes before he met his death. So we would like to ask the police to investigate this matter thoroughly and share with Kenyans as fast as possible what happened to our colleague.
A great son of our soil. A great son of our soil has been murdered this evening. Ong'ondo Were was a stout politician, one who would never miss sessions of Parliament. It is not in darkness that Ong'ondo Were had his life threatened, a matter which he had already reported to the DCI. And I want to say this with my eyes strictly on the cameras, that the perpetrator of this particular murder is known. And there is a way of violence that is creeping up in Homa Bay politics that must be tamed by law enforcement authorities.
I cannot even imagine this kind of thing really happen. On behalf of Ramogi as a whole, Ramogi, the 4 sub-counties, let me send my condolences to the family